What's up guys, what's going on? This is Marcel Flores from 1 Dapper Street. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's vlog. We are now in Milan. We were in Florence in the last vlog. If you haven't seen that yet, go check that out right here. Currently standing on our hotel's rooftop. Sunlight! I'm already wearing the first look, so this going forward is going to be a lot more high fashion than what we saw at Pitti. Pitti was very traditional menswear, and London I didn't really do much. I wore primarily my clothes, but I'm working with a lot of companies here that are having their shows, so I'm wearing the designer for the show. Tonight is the first show, and that's Xenia. I have a bunch of fittings today, so I'm gonna take you guys along to kind of see like how this process works of like picking an outfit that you're then gonna wear to the show, and then we're shooting it, and we're shooting all of them, so you're gonna see all of that. It's a little bit stressful because there's a lot on my calendar. I just put in all the addresses. I'm bouncing around town like crazy, but we got this. Let's go.
No, but this is soft and nice for
Yeah, exactly. It's like a little bit high fashion, but not too much. Like it's still like kind of proper out of it. So I left my vlogging camera in the hotel, so we're on the iPhone. Once again, I don't see anybody as much as this kid.
It's just like seriously.
Wait, yo, hey, I don't want no trouble. We're at D-Skirt right now, so next fitting coming up.
It's come back.
Okay, back in the room, and I'm actually back on the camera, so yay! Sorry for that little iPhone moment. Just got the coat that was still missing from the Xenia look, so we're about to go shoot that. We are actually about to move to a bigger room, but we couldn't part ways. Like, the room was beautiful and a lot bigger than our like... It's not that big, but we have the view, and the view is just worth more than a little bit of space because we're not really going to be in here anyway. It's just nice. There's a park right here. Woo! Almost losing my coat. But for now, straight shooting. This guy's already getting some B-roll right there. Let me show you guys my look. And that's the look, guys. I hope you liked it. Obviously, this is Fashion Week. Now we're in Milan. This is a fall/winter 17 suit, so it's more fashion forward. It's relaxed. I think it's very important that you try and test your limits and try new things, so that's what I'm doing here. You also already got a peek at the show. I haven't even seen that yet, but we'll talk about that later. And now let's go get some more clothes because of a couple more fittings that I want to take you guys to. Charge you guys? I want to charge. Like if I was lying down right now, I'd pass out. Just saying. One more. We have one more. We'll go to diesel. Hey, put the smiles on. Energy up. Good vibes. So. Okay, we'll find something.
So, if you first want to have a look and think what you have in mind.
Okay,
so
here we go again. First time today. Oh, and then these.
yeah, of course.
Okay, cool. I also kind of like the blue. It's like a little bit more flashy.
Yeah, for those I don't have the trousers underneath.
It has to be the matching ones?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, this one is. Guys, last fitting done. It was a lot. Waited for 20 minutes, had a glass of wine, relaxed just a little bit. Got my bag, which I'm gonna give to Brian behind the camera. I'm gonna go through the show. Let me show you the full extent of the Xenia show for Fall Winter 2018. That was the Xenia show. Absolutely unbelievable. So beautiful. What a day it's been running around. I've never really done this. Like Fashion Week, I've done Fashion Week before obviously, but going to fittings and getting dressed for several shows, it's great. It was a cool experience. It was a lot. I hope you guys liked that part. Let's talk about Xenia. The show was amazing. Colors, fabrics, silhouettes, everything was on point. I just showed you my favorite looks. For me, what makes a good fashion show, especially in menswear, is taking what's relatable and taking what you can actually potentially wear, but pushing the boundaries of menswear just ever so slowly. And this is also why I want to wear these outfits, just because I'd like to extend my own boundaries a little bit and just experience new things and see how I can develop my own personal style, because if you don't test your limits, as with anything in life, you can't really, you know, grow. So bear with me, and I hope you enjoy as I'm trying to experiment with my own personal style over the next few days, and then also afterwards in Paris. It's definitely going to be something new for me. It's going to be a lot, but I'm excited to take you guys along. We have a bunch of shows tomorrow. I think it's going to be very cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a pleasure taking you along, and I'll see you in a couple days, hopefully tomorrow, with the next vlog. Bye guys. Stay dapper.